To our esteemed Schools Division Superintendent of the City of Santa Rosa, Sir Herberto Jose D. Miranda, CESO 5, our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Elvira Katangay, our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Jean Tolentino, our School Principal, Dr. Jonah L. Castrillo, our Guest of Honor, dedicated teachers, parents, families and friends, and to my fellow graduates on this special day, a pleasant morning to everyone. I am deeply honored to stand before you today as your batch representative. This message I share is not mine alone. It reflects the journey, struggles, and victories of all of us. They say that when we step into a new chapter, we bring who we have become. But in order to understand who we are today, we must look back at what shaped us. In March 2020, what should have been our first graduation became something very different. Instead of a celebration, we were spent in front of gadgets. Our early years in elementary school were spent not in classrooms, but online, listening through microphones and seeing classmates as small squares. We weren't just online students. We were children learning to adapt to a suddenly changing world. It wasn't easy. We struggled with isolation, forgot how to build real friendships, and felt the exhaustion of the digital world. But in the middle of it all, we unknowingly became stronger. We became independent, patient, and adaptable. When we returned to face-to-face classes, we had to relearn connection. Slowly, we rebuilt friendships and we regained the skills that we had lost. As we moved forward, we didn't just recover, we grew. We learned honesty, responsibility, and courage. We discovered that trying, even without winning, is already a success. And this year, as grade 6 students, we face new challenges: academic pressure, performances, and preparation for our future. Our weekends became busy, and the journey became more demanding. But we did not break. And now, here we are, standing on this stage, finally experiencing the graduation we once only imagined. Today, let us remember this: resilience is our strength. We are a generation that faced uncertainty in such a young age, yet we learned how to rise above it. We are creative, adaptive, and ready for whatever comes next. But our strength did not grow on its own. It was shaped by the people around us. On behalf of the graduating class of 2025 to 2026, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has been a part of our journey. Even if we cannot mention each one, please know that you have made a difference in our lives. To our dear teachers, present and past, we know that at times we can be troublesome, hard-headed, noisy, and messy inside the classroom. But your endless patience and unwavering dedication in educating us can never be repaid. You taught us not only lessons, but how to persevere and keep moving forward. For all that you have done and continue to do, we are truly grateful and proud of our teachers. Maraming salamat po, mga ma'am at sir. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your unconditional love and sacrifices. You were our source of strength in our hardest moments. Believe it or not, the most significant part in our journey are the routine acts of service towards us, namely waking up early to prepare our uniform, cooking our favorite breakfast, and preparing our bag. There are countless other sacrifices you have made for us aside from that, and we appreciate it. You have been incredible. We love you so much. And above all, we thank God for the gift of life and for sustaining us through every step of our journey. Thank you for the strength to overcome any challenge, and in every moment of doubt, you gave us hope. Because of your grace, we are here today, resilient, grateful, and ready for what lies ahead. As we move forward, we carry the spirit of our team. Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. This team reflects the challenges we faced and how we overcame them together. Let us remember that our journey of self-discovery does not end here. May we continue to grow, to learn from every experience, and to live a life with purpose, courage, and compassion. Together, let us embrace the future with confidence, knowing that we are ready to create the lives we envision and to leave a legacy that reflects the best of who we are. Congratulations, class of 2025 to 2026. Our journey has only just begun. Mabuhay, Centralia 3!